Hello children, in our ICT class today we'll read chapter number 7, Fun with Paint. Fun with paint. Remember in the last class you tried making few drawings in the paint program. So the same thing we are going to read from our book today. It is chapter number 7, Fun with Paint. Let us draw a mouse by joining the dots with the help of a pencil. Use an eraser to erase any wrong line. Fill the picture with colors. Now here you can see the picture of a mouse. You can see tiny dots over here. You have to join these dots to make this full figure or picture like this. Okay, move your pencil over the dots. Now I went wrong here, so you can erase this with the help of eraser. Okay, so this way you have to complete this picture and color it. Okay, now just see or notice which tools did you use, which all tools did you use to make this picture and color it. You must have used a pencil, eraser, a sharpener and colors, right? To make any drawing on computer you do not need these tools. A computer has a paint program that helps us to make colorful drawings, right? Now to make any drawing in the notebook you need to have pencil, eraser, color and a notebook, but for computer you just need to have this paint program. Okay, now let's move to the next page. Here, how to open paint. Okay, this we already told you in the last practical class, where we told you that click on the start button. First step is click on start button. Then you will see this kind of menu over here. So here you have to click all programs. Step number 2. After that, step number 3 is you will see accessories words over here. Accessories. So you will click on accessories, and number 4 you will see paint written here, and here you will click on paint. I repeat, step 1 is click on start button, all programs, accessories and then paint, right? Now parts of a paint window. You can see this top border blue line. This is called the quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. Here you have different options that work in paint, which we need to work in paint. You will come to know about them later on. This button, top left button, is called the paint button. Paint button. Now here you can see this home and view. These are the tabs. These are the tabs. Right now home tab is selected. So all these groups are part of home tab. When you will select this, you will see all these things over here. When you click on view tab, you will see different groups over there. Now this all white color thing you can see is the drawing area. Drawing area, you can draw anything here. And these are the groups over here. You can see the colors, different colors. These are the different tools in this group. So this is a color group. This is the size group. You can see different sizes, right? So ऐसे ही here you can see the shapes group. You will see different shapes over here. Here this is the tools group, right? So these are the all parts of a paint window. Paint button. Paint button, remember this one? It contains different options to work in paint. Quick access toolbar. You actually won't be able to understand the functions of this quick access toolbar, but you should know that this top line is called the quick access toolbar. Ribbon. It contains tabs, groups and commands. Now this is the ribbon. This full blue box you can see, the big one. The red bordered box is called the ribbon. All the groups are placed or the tabs are placed in this ribbon. Tab क्या होता है? It contains tools arranged in different groups. Like these, when you press on home tab, you will see all these things. Now what is a group? It contains set of commands together under the tab. These are different commands under one tab. Under one tab. So these are the groups. You just need to know what is quick access toolbar, what is paint button, what is the tab. This is tab, this is quick access toolbar, this is paint button, this is paint button, and these are the groups, and this is your drawing area, right? Now I will tell you how to draw a rectangle. In the practical class, last class, I told you how to draw a rectangle. You will go, okay, let's see here. Click on home tab. You will see a rectangle tool here. Like this, you will see this rectangular tool. Click on this. After that, if you want to draw a blue color, then you select blue color from the color group. Click on rectangle tool in the shapes group. Select blue color from the colors group. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. When you will bring the pointer on the drawing area, you will see a plus sign. Then you hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse button to draw a rectangle, then release the button. For example, you bring here, the plus sign appear here. You press the left mouse button, keep dragging. You want till here only, then release the button. Okay, here click, bring down and release, because you want only this size of rectangle. Okay, similarly, if you want to go for circle, you will select oval from shapes group and color of your choice from colors group. You can also select the size, like if you want this thick outline, you can have this or whatever. Move the mouse pointer. Again, you will bring the mouse pointer here. It will appear in plus sign. You press the left button, drag and release. Okay, this way you will draw a circle here. So you can try all these things of drawing a rectangle and a circle on your computer, and you should know how to open the paint. Okay, try out all these things, and you have to read these 3 pages again and again for today's work. Okay children, that's all for today. Take care.